Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 1.9, Problem 27. This is Section 1.9, Problem 27. It says use the correct order of operations to solve the following problem. And we have 9 over 6 minus 3 plus 2 to the 4th power. So with any problem like this with the order of operations, you need to do parentheses or grouping symbols first, and it doesn't appear that we have any, but the fraction bar is a type of grouping symbol, like parentheses. So I have some work underneath the fraction bar. I need to deal with that first. So the fraction becomes 9 over 3, because 6 minus 3 is equal to 3, plus 2 to the 4th power. Now, the 9 over 3 is really 9 divided by 3. So now what's left? I have a division, I have an addition, and I have an exponent. My parentheses or grouping symbols are done at this point. So the next most important thing I need to deal with is the 2 to the 4th power. That's my exponent. So the 9 over 3 can stay for a minute, plus 2 to the 4th power. So let me come off to the side just to show my work on that. 2 to the 4th power is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. There are 4 2's multiplied together. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. And then 8 times 2 is 16. So 2 to the 4th power is 16. So now my order of operations problem has become 9 over 3 plus 16. So the 9 over 3 is really a division. It's 9 divided by 3 plus 16. So now I have 2 operations remaining. I have a division and I have an addition. Well, the order of operations says you must do division before addition. So the 9 divided by 3 I can replace with a 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 plus 16. And now I can just do that one operation. 3 plus 16 is 19.